I made this battery to power my Waco fridge for camping. It draws about 3 amps. It ran my fridge for over 50 hours and still had more to go. The fridge was full of beer, everything was cold. It was winter time and it was indoors, so in the summer it will be less, and especially when you open and close the fridge a bit more. The fridge stopped and started 22% of its cycle. So I figure that I can charge it off a solar panel through the day and still run the fridge as well, enough to keep me going right through the night. I haven't tested that yet, but I'm fairly confident it's going to work. Yeah, so I made this box out of an ammo box from Anaconda. So you can see the wiring that I've done there. That's a circuit breaker. That's the first thing the power goes to, protects everything after that. That's a 20 amp circuit breaker. That's a switch for the light, and that's a switch for the main switch. That's actually a shunt for the amp meter. That is a USB connection, Anderson plug for charging, and the other Anderson plug is output. You also have the voltmeter cum amp meter there, which isn't lit all the time because you use it with the momentary switch there, that little black switch. So that lights up the amp meter, just so you don't have lights on the whole time all night while you're using it. That's the rubber seal around the outside of the case. It's quite a good case, very strong, sturdy, only about $30. The lithium battery, oh, that's another cigarette lighter outlet. There's the lithium battery there. It's 40 amp hour. So that's the wiring diagram there that I used. You can do it a number of different ways, but that's the way that suited me with the box I had. Obviously you can fit other accessories and things like that, and you do it differently. Anyway, good luck with that.